I've been studying on masculinity and femininity for the past 2 years. I've done good shit and stupid shit in masculinity. I've read over 10 books on masculinity and femininity. Maybe I'm autistic, but this has genuinely changed my life, and I hope this changes your life too. So, what masculinity and femininity really is, I'm gonna explain to you in autistic detail. And this is like pure research, biological, primal shit. So, you can't disagree with me because this is like pure biology, science. Nothing is false in this. So, imagine there's a line on the right side, there's masculinity, on the left side, there's femininity. The middle is depolarization. When you are in a relationship, or just basically when you are a man, you need to be on the extreme right side of masculinity, and when you are feminine, you need to be at the extreme left side of femininity. But what that is, nobody has explained to us ever. You weren't explained this in your school or your college ever, what it is. So what masculinity is your purpose, your mission, and a progress towards a mission. Your progress towards that mission. You need to have a core mission, your core purpose, that you make constant progress towards, that you constantly progress towards. You need a mission if you are a man. It isn't a bullshit like providing your family. Many people provide for their family. All the people in third world countries like India, Pakistan, all their parents work immensely hard and provide for their families. They still aren't masculine. They still live a shitty life, and they still aren't fulfilled. They are masculine, but they aren't truly masculine. You won't call them feminine, like for providing for their family, obviously, but you won't even call them masculine. Now I'm gonna explain to you what femininity is also in some time, but you need to explain both of them for you to exceed. So masculinity is your progress towards a core mission or purpose. Many people think that it's providing for your family. It's not. It's just not. Or else every traditional people, our fathers, would be really masculine, but they are not. It's the progress you make towards your core mission, your core purpose, that will make you more masculine. Nothing else. It's just that simple. And you need to be on extreme end of that side. If you are in the middle, you will be depolarized and the world will take advantage of you. Now, what femininity is the flow of love and relationships. I've written it here: flow of love and relationships, and masculinity is purpose, mission, and progress towards both of them. So, femininity is flow of love and relationships. What you mean is, imagine ancient imagine the times when war were there. The wife would beg her husband to not go to war, but it is his mission. He needs to go and serve his country. He needs to go and serve his nation. He goes in there. His wife is standing at the door of their house. Please don't go, please don't go, she yells. But he has to go. It is his mission. The wife is constantly thinking about him throughout the war. The wife loves him. The wife is missing him during the war. She is constantly thinking about him. She has the flow of love in her. And when he comes back from the war, they both just unite. They both hug for 10 minutes. Imagine the husband coming from war and the wife is standing at the door, and they both just run towards each other and they hug tightly. That's what a correct depiction of masculinity and femininity is. The wife is truly feminine and the husband is truly masculine. Now, you don't have to go to war for this, obviously, but you need to be on a purpose if you are a man, and you need to be in a flow of love if you are a woman. That's why many people are depressed, because they are, imagine you are a man and you are at the extreme end of femininity, or at least in the middle, this middle line. If you are in the middle, you are not that happy, you are not that fulfilled, you feel empty. That's why you see many people on the internet saying, I feel lost and empty. That's because they are not flowing upstream with the river. Imagine this is the river of masculinity and femininity, whatever you are, and it flows upstream. But you, on the other hand, you are coming from that side, you are flowing against the river. It will be hard, right? You are masculine and you are flowing towards feminine. Your teachers, your parents, society is telling you to be feminine. If you are a girl, your parents tell you go and get a job, become masculine. You are flowing against the stream, and that's what makes you feel empty and lost. When you flow against the river, you make immense progress. You instantly become fulfilled and happy. That's how you become fulfilled and truly aligned with your soul. That's why many people feel empty, because they are flowing upstream. And also relationships play a huge important role. When you are depolarized, imagine this is your wife and this is you. You both are in the middle. You are not either masculine, you are not feminine. You are in the middle here. Your relationship sucks because of that. Your relationship will suck because you are not living like you need to be. Now, if only you went to the masculine side, or only one person went to the extreme, the other person in the relationship will automatically go to the other side. This is just pure biology. Imagine if you are a masculine man. Imagine if you are depolarized and in the middle, but you want to be masculine and you make progress towards being masculine, and you are progressing towards that masculinity side. Now your woman will automatically start being more feminine. She doesn't have to do anything. Sorry. How amazing this is. She automatically will become more feminine if you progress towards the masculine side, if you flow with the river, and it goes for her the same, vice versa. If she starts going in the feminine side, you will automatically become more masculine. And when you are depolarized, when you are in the middle, your relationship is limpy. Your relationship sucks. You both hate each other. But when you are both on the extreme side, your relationship is just spicy. It is sparky. You know, girls say, oh, I want spark. This is it. This is why you see many fathers just providing for their family, and they are not even happy. Their wives are not even happy, because they are not even present in the house. They are not even loving. They don't even have a purpose. When you have a purpose as a man, You will give your gifts to your family and your wife and the feminine. And when you are feminine and you have that flow of love in you, you will give your gift to your family. And that's how humanity has been forever. Imagine the caveman people. They weren't like depolarized. The man went for the hunt straight away. The woman was thinking about him all day. And when he comes back, they both hug, they both, do their deed. They both are polarized. You need to become polarized at extreme ends. That's what masculinity and femininity actually is. Many people have this shitty perception of masculinity and femininity. They think, oh, masculinity is just providing for your family. But, bro, many people are providing for their family and they aren't masculine. Many people, and femininity is so fucked, bro. This rise of feminism has fucked them. They think they need to be independent. You will see mothers a lot happier than these feminists who think that being independent is feminine. It's not. You can't break biology. It takes evolutions, years to change your biology. I don't think it ever changes the biology. Take this seriously. Flow with the stream, flow with the river. I hope this helps you, bro. Scroll down right now and click subscribe. See you soon, bro.